Welcome to day 4. My name is Nathan Ziegler, the upper school principal at Hope Academy. The trick that I have for you today is with a dollar bill. I'm going to take the dollar bill and crumple it into a ball. Set it in my hand. There you go. You ready for some dad jokes? Today's theme is farm jokes. What do you call a cow with no legs? Ground beef. Which side of the chicken has more feathers? I think I'm gonna do that other joke over.
Okay, so everything? We're gonna start looking?
No, just the... What side of the chicken has more feathers? The outside. And the last joke for your day. What did the farmer say when he lost his tractor? Where's my tractor? Yesterday's riddle was, if a doctor gives you 3 pills and tells you to take one every half hour, how much time will pass before you've taken all 3 pills? So I'm going to use some vanilla wafers to demonstrate this one. So if you have the 3 pills, you take the first pill, 0 time has elapsed. So you have to wait a half hour to take the second pill. 30 minutes has gone by, 30 more minutes, I can take the last pill. 1 hour is how long it takes for the pills to be used. If you said 1 hour, you got it right. Today's riddle is, some months have 30 days, some have 31. How many have 28? Today's encouragement is from Romans 12:12. That verse says, be joyful in hope, patient in affliction, and faithful in prayer. How can we do that? The only way is to trust that God is in control, that God will use His plans and His purposes even in this type of a situation, in this type of circumstance. So if we can believe that, we can be joyful in hope, patient in affliction, and faithful in prayer. Have a great day. I miss you all a lot. I will see you sometime, hopefully soon.